Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today we're going to show you how to add social media icons to your video. Step 1. First, open MiniTool MovieMaker. Import the video you need into the software by clicking the plus icon on the video file or dragging it directly to the timeline. Step 2. Click the Elements option in the navigation bar. Use the search box below to enter relevant keywords in search. Select the social media icon you want, then click the plus icon or drag it to the timeline. Adjust its size and position as needed. Step 3. Click the text option in the navigation bar to add a text template. Edit the text and its color. Then drag it to the desired position. Finally, preview the video to make sure everything looks perfect. Once confirmed, click the Export button in the top right corner of the preview window. If you have more questions, feel free to visit our website at MovieMakerMiniTool.com. We look forward to seeing your creations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.